Hi, welcome to UPSC Prelims Previous Year Question Analysis Series. Today we are dealing with polity, focusing on fundamental duties. The first question is talking about which of the following are the fundamental duties of citizen laid down in the Indian Constitution? This question is asked in the 2012 prelim. The options are the first one, to preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. Yes, this is mentioned in our fundamental duties list. Second one, to protect the weaker sections from social injustice. If you are already deal with the directive principles of state policy and fundamental duty, this is mentioned in the directive principles of state policy and not in the fundamental duty. So the second option is wrong. Third option talking about to develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry. Yes, this is mentioned in the fundamental duty. Fourth one is to strive toward excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. This is also correct. So we can eliminate 2. Then answer is 1, 3 and 4. So the option is C. So we can discuss more about this list of fundamental duty. There are 11 fundamental duties are there. One is to abide by the Indian Constitution and we have to respect national flag and national anthem. The next one is we have to follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. Third one talking about the protection of sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth one, it is the duty of the citizens to defend the country and render national service. Fifth one, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood irrespective of the religious, linguistic, regional variation, and we have to protect the dignity of women. Sixth one, we have to value and preserve our rich country's composite culture. Seventh one is talking about environment. We have to protect and improve the natural environment. Eighth one, we have to develop a scientific temper. Ninth one, it is the duty of the citizens to safeguard and protect the public property. 10th one, excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that nation can go to a high level of achievement. 11th one is added as part of the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. This is talking about to provide education opportunities to the children in the age range of 6 to 14 years. Next question from UPSC 2015. This is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. It's a provision made in preamble, directive principles of state policy, fundamental right, fundamental duty. In the previous slide, we already mentioned this is comes under the list of fundamental duty. So the answer is D. Once again, you can go through the slide to learn more about the list of 11 fundamental duty. We can quickly go through the keywords. One is national flag, national anthem, noble ideals of the national struggle, then the sovereignty, unity and integrity. That is what they directly pick it for this particular question. Fourth one, national service. Fifth one, common brotherhood, women dignity. Sixth one, composite culture. Seventh one, natural environment. Eighth one, scientific temper. Ninth one, public property. 10th one, excellence in all sphere. 11th one, education for the children in the age range of 6 to 14 years. The next question from 2017 prelim. Which of the following statements are true of the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen? A legislative process has been provided to enforce this duty. No, there is no legislative process to enforce all these fundamental duties. Next, they are correlative to legal duty. It is just a fundamental duty. It is not a legal duty. There is no legal provision to enforce this fundamental duty. So 1 is wrong, 2 is also wrong. So the answer is 8. That is, there is no legislative process to compel citizens to carry out their responsibility. So the first statement is false. Legal duty means there is a law for that particular duty. Here there is no relationship between legal and fundamental duty. Or we can say that this is non-justiciable also. We can't go to court for the enforcement of the fundamental duties, right? The next question from UPSC 2017. This is you have to correct it with the common sense. In the context of India, which one of the following is the correct relationship between rights and duty? The first statement is talking about rights are correlative with duty. Okay, it is a kind of correct statement. Go to the second statement. Rights are personal and hence independent of society and duty. This is a kind of extreme kind of sentence. This is independent of society and duty, which is very wrong. Now, rights, not duties, are important for the advancement of the personality of the citizen. No, we need both rights and duties, right, for the advancement of the personality. So, C is also wrong. D is talking about duties, not rights, are important for the stability of the state. You can't tell like one is required and other is not required. So, C and D you can eliminate with that sentence. And B is talking about rights are independent of society and duty. No, so the correct answer is A. You can eliminate B, C, and D with the common sense. There is enough clues to eliminate those three sentences. So you can go ahead with the answer A. So more from this particular question, answer is A. We know that in our original constitution, only fundamental rights were there. No fundamental duties are added. And rights and duties are correlative and these are inseparable also. So these are the questions asked from the section called the fundamental duties. Happy learning. Please subscribe and watch the remaining channels. Thank you.